Alright, so now we're moving on to the flowers. I have 3 different pinks. I tested them out. I wanted to see what was the darkest, lightest, what was maybe a little bit more of a salmon color than a pink, which is fine. So now we're going to focus on this corner first. I am going to use my medium one first, so I'm going to start with this one, so that way if I need to use my darker color, I can. I'm going to come in. You notice how I'm keeping it all inside the lines? I'm not going over my lines. Do not go over your lines. If you go over your lines, that's going to cause problems because it's not going to look well done. It's going to look rushed and sloppy. We do not go over our lines. As much as possible, we avoid going over lines. Remember, it's easy to build up. It is not easy to start dark and then subtract. Gonna come in with this blushy pink color. Gonna take my time. Alright, so I have that. And I'm showing at an angle so you can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna take my darker pink and use it here. You want to be careful so you don't end up with like little marks that you're not wanting. I'm gonna come in and very lightly use this peachy color. Okay, so then I'm going to do all of my petals like that. I'm going to pause and you'll see in a moment when I come back what that will look. Alright, so now I have that. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to come in and make these little seeded. Color. Some black and light cream that I'm looking for. Okay. Okay, and that's what I'm leaving it at. So that's how I'm going to roughly treat my other flowers. I might use a slightly different variation of color. So yeah, that is how you do value shift. If you're just going out from one color and you're going to leave it like that, all you do is, like I said, it's easier to start from light and build up, but if you're doing it this way, you need to do less pressure as you go. Or if you're going the other way, less pressure to a lot of pressure. It just needs to be a gradual thing so that it's not here's dark, here's light. Alright,